In 1944, a classified military experiment made 12 U.S. Navy sailors vanish completely. The Philadelphia Experiment. A top-secret Navy test attempting to create radar-invisible ships inadvertently teleported an entire destroyer escort, the USS Eldridge, and created a nightmare. Witnesses claim the ship disappeared from Philadelphia Harbor, instantaneously reappeared in Norfolk, Virginia, then returned to Philadelphia. The sailors who survived paid a horrific price. Some materialized with their bodies fused into the metal deck. Others walked through walls, spontaneously burst into flames, or disappeared forever. Several went violently insane. One sailor found himself trapped in a hellish loop, phasing in and out of reality, visible one moment, screaming in a dimension beyond our own the next. The Navy denies everything. Official records show the USS Eldridge nowhere near Philadelphia during the alleged experiment, but declassified documents reveal the military was indeed conducting invisibility experiments using Einstein's unified field theory. And surviving crew members, breaking decades of silence, described identical horrors. Most disturbing, 5 sailors allegedly vanished during the experiment. Their families received telegrams reporting them missing at sea. Their bodies never returned home. Did they remain trapped between dimensions, unable to fully materialize or fully die? In 1943, while the world was at war, residents of a small coastal Norwegian town awoke to an apocalyptic scene. The sky had turned blood red, the water black as ink. Fish floated dead on the surface, and birds dropped lifeless from crimson clouds. Children screamed. Adults prayed. Everyone believed it was Judgment Day. Norwegian resistance fighter Joachim Hansen radioed Allied forces. Please advise. The phenomenon spread along 30 miles of coastline. Locals sealed their homes, covering windows with wet cloths, convinced poison gas was coming. Some wrote final letters to loved ones. By noon, Norway's Nazi occupiers had dispatched scientists to investigate what they feared was a British chemical attack. The truth? A massive, unprecedented bloom of algae, Karenia mikimotoi, had exploded overnight in perfect storm conditions. The microorganisms released toxins that suffocated marine life while turning the water red. Modern science now recognizes this as a harmful algal bloom, but in 1943 it seemed supernatural. The Blood Fjord Incident became a whispered legend among Norwegians, how nature itself seemed to mirror the bloodshed of war. A forgotten moment when apocalypse felt certain and death colored the sea itself.